Hi, this is CJ, and in this video we are going to be talking about the restoring a feature which Samsung has taken away from the S Pen in the new Galaxy S25 Ultra. And I'm talking about the knack of taking pictures remotely. So although we do have the S Pen, that feature set is now gone and we're going to be getting it back. And the solution is going to be much cheaper to purchase, and I'm going to leave a description and the link in the description for you to do that. So first of all, I've already added the device. I'm going to show the device as well. So let's go to the Bluetooth, and yeah. So as you can see that there is a shutter out here. There is there's a AB shutter 3, and that's how the device looks like. And this is how the device looks like. It's a small device. As you can see, we have a couple of buttons here. One it says for camera, iOS. The other one says Android. And we have an off and on switch here. So we have to pair this thing just like any Bluetooth device. And once it is done, it can be made to use like a remote shutter button. This is how it makes this noise. Okay. And I'm going to give you a demonstration of how small this thing it can be put in a wallet. Just give me one moment. Let me show you. This can be put in a wallet like this. If you have a like this a situation. Okay. Yep. It's as small. Okay. So let me give you a demonstration. Let me toggle it on. Yeah. The light is stable. It has now connected to the AB shutter button. I'm going to open a camera app and I'm going to click this. See? I am going to click it, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching.